So let's continue to talk about the derivative function. So look at this example. So find the derivative of gx equal to 2 over x. So based on the given function, so we can define g prime x equal to limit x move to 0, gx plus h minus gx over h, like that, right? Okay, so you need to find out gx plus h first. So gx plus h means 2 over x plus h. Therefore, g prime x equal to limit h move to 0, 2 over x plus h minus 2 over x over h. So this is the complex fraction form. So there are many different ways to simplify this expression, but one method is we cannot separate the numerator expression and denominator separately and find their common denominator. So as you see, the numerator, we can find out denominators are x plus h and x, but denominator, so you can rewrite h over 1, so 1 is the denominator. Therefore, LCD become 1 times x plus h, which is x plus h. And now you multiply this every term here, okay? Then limit h move to 0, then this will be 2x minus 2x plus h over h x plus h, basically. Okay, now I'm gonna distribute, so this becomes limit h move to 0, 2x minus 2x minus 2h over h x plus h. And now just to simplify, then this is gone, so limit h move to 0, negative 2h over h x plus h. And now you can also simplify h and h here, then this become limit h move to 0, negative 1 over x plus h. So now even though you plug 0 into h here, the denominator value wouldn't be 0. So we can define the value. Therefore, g prime x equal to negative 1 over x squared. Okay, so that will be the answer for this problem. Okay? Okay, then now using this g prime function, and let's determine the slope at a point. So this time we don't need a y coordinate value, so I'm gonna give you maybe couple x values. So let's find out the tangent line slope. So g primes maybe 0, so g prime 2 and g prime negative 1, like that. Okay, so g prime 0, which means negative 1 over 0 squared, which is undefined. Okay, and then as you know from the beginning, so we have x equals 0 as the vertical asymptote. At the vertical asymptote, the limit doesn't exist, which means the x equals 0 line divide two different sides. So they are not continuous. Of course, no limit. No limit means no tangent line exists, basically. And now, g prime 2, which means negative 1 over 2 squared, which is negative 1 over 4. Now g negative 1, negative 1 over negative 1 squared, then negative 1 over 1, so become negative 1. Okay, so those are basically prime, the constant value, tangent length law cases.